Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, here's an informative tutorial on using Python Selenium WebDriver with Safari, along with code examples. Step 1, install required software. Make sure you have the following software installed on your machine. Step 2, download safaridriver. Safaridriver is a separate executable that allows Selenium to interact with Safari. Download the safaridriver from the official Selenium GitHub repository, https://github.com/seleniumhq/selenium/wiki/safaridriver. Extract the downloaded file and move the safaridriver executable to a directory in your system's path. Step 3, write Python script. Create a new Python script for your Selenium test. Below is a simple example that opens Safari, navigates to a website, and interacts with an element. Make sure to replace /path/to/safaridriver with the actual path where you have placed the safaridriver executable. Step 4, run the script. Save the Python script and run it using the following command. This will open Safari, navigate to https://www.example.com, perform a search using the search input field, and then close the browser. Congratulations! You have successfully created a basic Selenium WebDriver script using Python and Safari. You can further extend and customize the script based on your testing requirements. ChatGPT